Hello and Happy New Year. We just wanted to send out just a quick little video kind of going over a new release that happened today. So as of Tuesday, January 5th, there have been some slight changes to the REACH CMS dashboard that will just look different when you log in and just might change a little bit of your kind of workflow on the dashboard. Nothing too major, but mostly just UI changes and maybe where you go to do something. So wanted to walk through those quickly here and hopefully answer any initial questions that you might have. So I guess the biggest thing would be before to search your facility, if you had multiple, that was over here on the right-hand side. That has now been shifted over here to the left. So you can see this drop down, you would just come in here and you could type in whatever the additional facilities names are and then pull that up there. So your facility search has now been shifted over to the left. Again, I would say that's probably the biggest kind of UI adjustment that was made to the dashboard, and it might just take some getting used to, but that, like I said, over on the left, remember left. Some icons now display up here in the top right. We have our notifications here. If you click on that, if you had any, they would display here. You have the opportunity, a garbage can or a trash bin would show here. You could click on that and that would then clear all of your notifications, or you would have little X's for each notification if you wanted to remove them individually. Notifications also display over here on the dashboard all the time as well. If you did want to remove those one by one, there would be an X for each of those over here as well. So your settings is going to be here. That didn't change. All the properties and everything within that are the same. And then we have a nice little greeting here that would display your username. So let's just move over to the three dots here. Nothing really changed too much, but just more as a refresher. So you still have the ability to create a new folder for organizational purposes. You can assign selected players to a specific folder if that makes it easier for you to sort of keep track of things. You can select one or multiple players and then refresh them here. This download players list just will generate a Excel file with all of your player information. We have added an auto config column there, so then that information will now display when you do download this CSV file. And then visible columns, you have the opportunity to kind of customize what information shows on your dashboard for whatever makes sense for your workflow and for what you're using it for. I think that's pretty much it. So like I said, just a couple minor UI changes, but wanted to make you guys aware and make sure you kind of understood some of those adjustments that were made. If you do have additional questions, you're welcome to reach out to our support team, or if you know your account manager, you can reach out to them directly for questions, or if you have any additional training needs, they can absolutely help you out there as well. So hopefully this was helpful, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.